Another one of them natural laboratories. Just kidding. Really pretty through here. All this mountain stone. Alright. Just now starting to do a little sweating. Pretty good climb up through there. It's 3:10. Been on the trail now for about 40 minutes. This long sleeve outfitter shirt's 100% polyester, got holes in it like a football jersey. A lot cooler than I thought it would be. Wanted to give it a try. I'm a ginger, so I burn easy. Wanted to wear a long sleeve shirt if I could. Alright, we're going to keep getting 9 miles. That's where the leprechaun lives. Best exercise in the world. A lot better than getting up, standing in front of a TV, going through the motions. Beautiful. Beautiful. Gets that heart going. Make you healthy. Got us going through a little series of switchbacks here. A little switch back here. Third one. Getting us back down here to the creek. We've come up on a really neat place here. Right down by the creek. Let me get it down there. Yeah, we can go down right in here. Alright. Wow. Look at that. Oh, a really neat swimming hole. Look at that down in there. I'm sure they haven't been doing any boring up here, so That's got to be a whirlpool hole. Wow. The beauty up here is endless. Onward. Wonder if that's what Larry the Cable Guy meant by butt crack. Good Lord. Spider Den Bluff. Main trail that way. That's where we're headed. Let's run down to Spider Den Bluff real quick. See how far it is down in there. See what's going on. Alright, we made it down here to Spider's Den Bluff. Way up behind there, there's a huge bluff up in there. Straight up, sheer face. Well, time to climb back up it again. All the way back up to the main trail. Sometimes you run up on these big trees and they're hollow. It's always good to check and make sure there ain't a copperhead or something on the other side of it. That'd ruin your hike. Alright. Climbing back up out of Spider's Den. 2 or 3 more switchbacks here. Get back on the main trail. Some things here on a tree. Different people's graffiti and initials, and maybe y'all, whoever y'all are here, maybe you see yourself on here. Quite a few of them. Lots of people been out here. Really nice little hammock underneath this. All these hemlocks, pile of rocks. Looks like somebody's made a campsite. Look at all the woodpecker holes. They've been busy. Tough like woodpecker lips. That's what you got to be if you're gonna get out here about 90-degree weather. Tough like woodpecker lips. All right, here we are. Kind of like little falls here. Yeah, cool. Get down on the lower side, we'll take some really cool photographs. Got some water flowing around this side here, up underneath me. You see at the bottom.